Welcome to our channel, where we take you on a culinary journey across the vibrant lands of Africa. Today, we're excited to unveil 10 traditional African cuisine recipes, guaranteed to tantalize your taste buds and transport you to a world of rich flavors. First on our list is the iconic jollof rice from West Africa. Made with fragrant rice, tomatoes, onions, and a secret blend of spices, this dish is a celebration of harmony and community. Heading north to the stunning region of North Africa, we have the tantalizing Moroccan tagine. This slow-cooked stew combines tender meat, aromatic spices, and a medley of vegetables, resulting in a harmonious blend of flavors. Moving east, we arrive in Ethiopia, the birthplace of injera. This spongy sourdough flatbread is the perfect vessel to scoop up mouth-watering stews like dorowat or kitfo, traditionally made with spiced chicken or minced beef. Venturing towards South Africa, we have the iconic bobotie. This delectable fusion dish showcases the country's rich Dutch and Cape Malay influences. It combines spiced minced meat, dried fruit, and a creamy egg-based topping, creating a symphony of flavors. Our culinary adventure continues in Nigeria with egusi soup. Made from ground melon seeds, this hearty soup is often enhanced with vegetables, meat, and aromatic seasonings, making it a true delight for the senses. Next, we have the delicious suya from Nigeria. Marinated skewered meat is grilled to perfection, resulting in a mouth-watering dish that's bursting with spicy flavors. Heading to East Africa, we find ourselves in Kenya, where we discover the beloved nyama choma. This succulent grilled meat, commonly cooked over an open flame, is enjoyed alongside fresh vegetables and traditional ugali, a maize-based staple. Traveling to the heart of West Africa, we encounter fufu. This staple dish is made by pounding cassava, yam, or plantain until it reaches a smooth and elastic consistency. Paired with a variety of soups and stews, fufu offers a true taste of tradition. Journeying north, we land in Algeria, where we discover the delightful couscous. This fluffy semolina dish is often accompanied by vegetables, meat, or fish, and is a beloved staple in many North African countries. Last but certainly not least, we delve into the flavors of Ghana with kelewel. This spicy and sweet plantain dish is fried to perfection, creating a delightful contrast that showcases the versatile nature of African cuisine. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure through the rich flavors of Africa. We hope you've been inspired to try these traditional recipes in your own kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting culinary journeys. Until next time, happy cooking!